This is the Lois and Tony's channel. We are on the land. You're down to the land.
Subscribe and hit that like button and turn on that little bell. Ding, ding, ding. Make that red button and turn it gray because gray is the way.
All right.
Follow our channel.
Follow our channel.
Where y'all at?
And make sure to tell us in the comment box if you did it or not.
Oh.
Bye.
Oh. Hello. This is the Lois and Tony's channel, and today we are repairing our feed tools. Going to protect our face from being stung. And the mesh part of it is torn, so we're going to replace that. So we already did 2 of the veils, so we thought we'd bring you along for this last one that we have to repair. And I just purchased this mesh from Home Depot. And it's screen. What do you call it? Screen door mesh?
Just screen mesh.
The screen mesh. And you fit it over the veil. Once you fit it over the veil, then you start pulling it down. And be very generous with the glue. We'll just use the glue gun and go around the entire veil. And he's smoothing it out as he goes to ensure
That it seals up.
yes, it is.
Once that right out the light. Yes. It sounds like it was starting to say, at least.
And it will get a little messy, but we don't care about that. We just care about it being sealed so the beads won't get under. when he cut the facing out of the damaged part, he left a little piece on that edge to attach the new piece to and glue the nose together. And we could have simply ordered another hood, but these hoods, they are, last time I checked, was $50. And the mesh that I bought, I think I spent $20, maybe $25 on a whole roll. So you can repair it at any given time versus just continue to buy a veil.
Completely good. All right, man. There you go.
I can put the other one down. And this one, it was just torn right here, so we just put a strip there and glued it right there.
All you want to do.
We're not trying to be pretty, we're just trying to make sure that.
If y'all want to come, I can get pretty.
Oh.
If y'all want to come and go in the beehive, I can get you pretty. But for me,
Yeah. So that is the repairing of our bee veil. So we ready to go in? Ready to go in?
you know, whatever you want.
All right. Y'all take the time to enjoy your view. Have a great day. Much love. Say bye.
All right, people. Take care. I'm sure you'll see some more videos one day of us going into the hive.